Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the normal seed shop in Garden Game of Roblox BCB event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, when you click seed menu, it will bring you to the honey seed shop. This is not the normal one, but honey seed. Okay, you can buy the honey seed from here, but if you want to find the normal seed shop, you need to switch your your honey garden to the normal garden. You can click on this menu and you're going to choose your normal garden. I'm going to choose this garden 3 or third garden. Okay, and after you switch to the normal garden, you can go to the normal seed shop. Okay, wait, it's still loading. Okay, I'm going to click on the seed menu and it will bring us to the normal seed shop. And when you switch to the honey garden, the seed shop will be changed to the honey seed shop. So it depends on the garden that you load. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the normal seed shop in Garden Game of Roblox BCB event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!